Hello, everybody. What's going on? Welcome back to my channel, my show. So, I got a lot of things I want to talk about too today, and some of them. So, first off, what we're always going to do is we're going to start off with the greed and fear index, the BTC chart. And I want to talk about what's going on with the total market cap in three, and then verse that with one. So total market value three versus total value one. And then I thought, because this is a new year, happy new year, everybody. Since we're starting this new year, we should definitely amplify our trading, because I think this year, I think that altcoins will, like, it looks like, okay, just what it looks like. I'll explain that later in the chart when I'm going over dominance, that it looks like altcoins just want to burst out and explode. And what better way to get in on that action faster and more efficient than using the Gate.io platform. And I'll go over that and show you guys how, like, you could just download it and it's great. And and then I will take on a Q&A. I do have a few last chance to buy coins. So if you didn't buy, this is some coins haven't really run too much. So if you want, I have some last minute value buys that you could possibly jump on. Other than that, let's say you have no more cash, just hold. That's all you have to do. Just hold. I'm actually not really buying. I'm just hodling right now. But this is I think this is like a last chance to buy. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm putting this right there. As you can see, not a financial advisor. So of course, whatever I say, you must always do your own research. Okay. You can't be getting mad at me and say I go buy this and then Sky says it's gonna go dump or something. Like, look, if it's one thing I know about the market is that it's uncertain. That's the only that's the only certain thing, right? That's the only certain thing I know about the market is that it's uncertain, right? But we can take chances with the probability that it may go up. And with that, I want to go over and cover markets. Okay, so let's go ahead and just bring that up. There we go. Oh, right here. Bitcoin at 23. Wow, that's lower than yesterday, right? Let's just go ahead and do a quick reboot. Okay, yeah. All right, so that is correct. 23. I don't understand why there's fear. Because one, the market, like, we didn't make a lower low. We didn't make a lower low. Yeah, we went to 50. We touched 51 and then we came back down to 49. But had you bought any of those altcoin recommendations that I told you like 2 weeks ago, you would have been still right now sitting pretty. So I don't understand really what's going on with the fear behind this. I think what it is just like some people are speculating that like Bitcoin is not doing anything. So the way things go is that there's a consolidation, right? So a consolidation is just like sideways action. That's all it is, just sideways actions. And this is when people get bored. But for me, that's when I want to get in. Okay, that's when I want to get in, when no one cares, no one's interested, because I know where Bitcoin is heading. I know where Bitcoin's heading, so I'm okay getting in this silent period, because in the silent period, nothing is happening, right? Because this is just it's just bouncing up and down in this like little kind of tight range, because Bitcoin's gone from 45 to kind of bobbing between 47-ish, 47, 51-ish. That's a tight range. That's still a tight range, right? Tight range. before it goes exploding up. So I think that the fear is just like, it's not justifiable. Okay, that's my personal opinion. You may have a personal opinion. For me, I think when there's so much fear, as Warren Buffett says, when everyone is fearful, that's when you should be greedy. So I have been very greedy in the last 2 weeks or so. All right, so greed at 23, I think that's unjustifiable. And if maybe you feel the same, who knows? But 23 is still not a bad range in the scheme. I think I feel like a lot of YouTubers cover this too. Like they just over 1 year, like we're down here. What happens when you're down here? You come up here, right? So we're down here. Euphoria is going to come up here eventually. Okay, eventually, all things come back eventually. Okay, Bitcoin is definitely not dead. Okay, why I don't think Bitcoin's dead? Because institutionals are buying. Michael Saylor added more Bitcoin to his to the MicroStrategy. What else is going on? Institutions are just buying. They're just buying because there's not a lot of Bitcoin going on. Bitcoin on the not even like on the exchanges anymore. There's no more. There's very small limited supply of Bitcoin right now. So that makes me more bullish on Bitcoin. So what else makes me bullish on Bitcoin? Check this out, guys. So this is a BTC on, let's go to a 4-hour chart here. All right, maybe I'm not explaining this good. I'll do this on the other chart. But here, let's look at Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance is getting lower and lower. Anyone notice that? So what does this say to me? Okay, what does this tell me, right? So Bitcoin dominance is going down, down, down. So anyone notice what's going on with the altcoins? Altcoins are surging. They're just like going up there, right? So I think, okay, this is like really highly speculative, okay? I think that altcoins are going to lead the recovery. I think altcoins are going to lead the recovery. And Bitcoin dominance is just like going to come down. And it'll just become that nice, beautiful store of value. Because the way it looks, okay, just based on this chart, okay, if we go to a weekly time frame, Bitcoin has never been this low. It hasn't been this low in such a long time. We're talking about 2018, March, November 2017, 2017. It's never been this low in such a long time. So when I look at this, it's telling me that Bitcoin may just do this like kind of gradual grind up and I know this is really nuts, but it looks like it may lose first mover advantage, right? If anyone remembers the path to altcoin season, it's always been Bitcoin first, Ethereum, and then altcoins. And then, now that I'm thinking about it through last year, when Bitcoin ran, Ethereum also ran. Did anyone notice that? When Bitcoin ran, Ethereum also ran. It's supposed to run after Bitcoin, but it ran with Bitcoin. So something is different. Something is special is going on this bull run with Bitcoin. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And now that I'm looking at the chart here on the Bitcoin dominance, it is telling me that quite possibly that the altcoins will lead, may lead. Okay, they may lead the recovery, because when I look at the altcoin charts, all they want to do is explode. That's all they want to do is explode. And maybe they're just like, they're getting tired. It looks like the altcoins are getting tired of being held prisoner by Bitcoin's nonsense. That's what it looks like when I read the chart. So with that, okay. If you can recall, I said that we did a, I was trying to help you guys understand the perspective of where Bitcoin is, and the market where it was, and like how crypto will eat certain markets. And so this is Chamath. He's like one of the billionaires, one of the 4 billionaires in this podcast. And he says it too. Never. I said this like weeks ago. And he says it. This is like one of his big loser predictions. He's saying it right here. Okay, how come I can't hear it? Okay, all right, let's try that one more time.
And I'm also fading implicitly Friedberg's pick of Stripe, but my biggest business loser for 2022 is Visa and MasterCard and traditional payments.
And traditional payments. There we go. There you have it. I said crypto would eat up Visa, MasterCard, and here you have it. Smartest investors right here in this podcast saying it to you after. That is amazing. I think that's amazing. He thinks that there's no point to Visa, and I'm saying there is no point to Visa as well. So smart, great minds think alike, right? Gaming, that's going to take off too. So I thought that was great. He says it. That's like, it just like, oh, I feel good. Like, you know, like I had the conviction, but like when you hear the conviction from a billionaire, it just, I don't know. It makes me feel good. So, oh, all right. So let's go on. What is going on with the volume in Bitcoin? Okay. So by 24 volume, it looks like some money is flowing into Link and Dot, and a little bit into some. So Link, Compound, Anchor, and Ren. Okay, so those are one of them. Phantom, One, Rose, and Render. I'm not too surprised with Render. Okay. So money seems to be finding a new home, right? So money doesn't just stop, and money doesn't just stop. It finds a new home. That's what institutions do. If you guys recall, like for example, sector in the stock market, okay? Sector rotation is the heart. So what they go into, they finance into, they go into different in the market, go 100% one sector. They rotate hedge funds to maintain the alphas, like okay, predictions. So with crypto, have a citation we call it. So I guess they're calling citations because various categories. NFT, we have DeFi, we have now 2 solutions, scaling. What's next? Well, I'm more related to adoption. Now we can go back to total 1. Exciting stuff. This is the exciting stuff. All right, where's this chart? We're still here. How 2 trillion with Bitcoin. Can everybody? Curious, can everyone? I just got this notice. Can you guys hear me, see me, all that stuff? No? Can anybody in chat, can you please say you guys are, am I lagging? Am I lagging? Can somebody in chat tell me if I'm lagging? Okay, all right. Thank you for confirming it. It's okay now. All right. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know what to say. I checked everything, and it seems like still something always like internet. Now it's like technical difficulties. All right. So one of the famous charts that I always like to bring up is the total market cap. Okay. A total market cap. So this is total one. This is Bitcoin. It's just right here at the 2 trillion mark, right? So it hasn't really 100% recovered, right? It hasn't really recovered. And this is why Bitcoin is just kind of like dangling down there in the $46,000 some range, right? But check this out. And this is why I'm having this very strong conviction that altcoins are leading the recovery. Look at this. If you can recall, right? This chart, it used to be down here, right? This is when Bitcoin dropped 55-ish to 40. Let's say 45-ish. So this is when that's that candle, okay? This is the altcoins, okay? When I say total market 3, this is just altcoins. It's subtracted from Bitcoin and it's subtracted from Ethereum. It is all just altcoins, okay? So total 3 is doing a wonderful recovery. Wonderful recovery. So that is also another thing that's making me think that altcoins may lead the recovery, and that Bitcoin, even though it's like trending there at 46, 45 or 47, it doesn't matter. I think it's just going to be a very, I don't want to say very slow grind up, but a gradual grow. It won't, like, I don't know if I can say I expect it to just shoot to the moon. Not right now. I think Bitcoin needs to go sideways for a little bit. Meanwhile, these altcoins may just do a slow and just maybe some coins, not all of them, may just kind of, I don't want to say parabolic run, but go on and like kind of do their grind up. So that is another reason why I'm having this conviction that altcoins may lead this recovery. So that is exciting news. That's exciting news because, like I said, Bitcoin holding these altcoins prisoner, that become a thing of the past, right? So that narrative where Bitcoin first, Ethereum, and then large cap, and then alt season. This is great news. This is great news. We're breaking the 4-year cycles. That's great. That excites me. Okay. What else is going on? Yeah, we got altcoins near. Was it Osmosis, Phantom? Great. even DeFi. DeFi is coming back. It looks like DeFi is coming back. And this is all within like, let's take a look on the 7 days. Yeah, Phantom, was this Axie? No, near. I saw Axie here somewhere. But yeah, Spell, Cardano, these guys are not dead. They're not dead. They're coming back. And here's another reason why I think maybe, I think Cardano may be in for a very special run. I don't know if it's going to happen this month or next month, but check this out. Before they were number 2 in developers activity, but now they're number 1. They have more than Ethereum. So I thought that was cool. And it's not just me saying this. That's the daily HODL staff, right? And look here. Cointelegraph. There you go. On sentiment. There we go. So we have sentiment telling you, hey, they're the most developed crypto project in GitHub. So I am proud of Charles Hawkins. There we go. Be like, price don't matter to me. Pooh! And be like, take that punch in the face and just be like, yeah, we'll go stay down there at 130. But guess what? We work hard. That is what Charles Hawkins is saying. He's saying, I don't care about price right now because it's irrelevant. I'm doing work. That is what Cardano is all about. Doing work there, not in just Africa, but the whole blockchain, the whole state, proof of stake ideology behind that. That's great. Oh, okay. So this is now on to the special part of this. So I'm gonna have to take off my screen share and show you what this is all about. So I bring to you guys the oh, you guys can't see it. Okay. Now here you go. Now you guys can see it. All right. Now you can see you can see this beautiful platform, right? Everybody see it? All right. This is the Gate.io download for desktop. What do you guys think of that? Huh? I thought this was awesome. So check this out. Oh, by the way, you can do this on the web, right? You can do this on the web. All right. So, Gate.io, you can do the website, but there's also this download. So why am I bringing this up? Well, again, let's start the year right? For me, okay, and this is why I am converting from using the website to using this download. Why am I doing that? Okay. The reason why I am moving from using the website to using this download is because I think when you use the website after a certain amount of time, Gate.io logs you out. Your login expires after a few hours. It expires. So what do you have to do? You got to log in, you got to put in your username, your password, and you got to do the puzzle thing, and then you got to do your 2FA. Okay, that's all good. But sometimes I just want to stay logged in. Okay, so I just helped you solve your problems from ever always logging in. Now you download, right? You download this for Windows, and it's available for Apple, right? So it's available for Mac and Apple. So why is this so exciting? Because let's say you're tired of always logging in, like this person. You're tired of logging in all the time on the website, like, oh, you gotta do 2FA and all that. So I got exhausted with that very fast. And now I have found a solution, and I'm telling you the solution. You download this application, you install it, boom, done. Okay. So here, this is the kicker part. You log in, okay? You log in, and then it's good for a good 24 hours. So yeah, you have to log in, you do your password, you do the puzzle, and then you do the 2FA. But it's good for a good 24 hours. So you don't log out for a good 24 hours. That's enough time to, do whatever. You can, so in the morning, I like to look at crypto and then log off, turn off the computer, and then do something else. And then I come back, I turn on my computer, and then I can just from the, like I have a Gate IO here on my taskbar. So I just click it and it's just boom, it just opens up. It opens up to this page, and then you can just automatically just go here and to your instantly just you're logged in and ready to trade. So I thought this was great. Great. So now that we got this done. So this is great. This makes me excited. I don't know if other platforms do this, but Gate does. So this is great. And this is nice because, now I have an easier and faster access to altcoins, right? Without this excessive logging in, right? Without the excessive login, now I have the ability to log in faster once a day to Gate.io. Now, even though it's a 24 hours. Now, if you have people who use your computer, make sure you, they have it here. There's a log out. Here we go. Yeah, you log out. Okay, you log out, you log out and you're done. Okay, especially if you have a lot of people who may use your computer. You log out and then you're just, you're okay. Okay. But if you are just by yourself, one person using your computer, then this is perfect. So now we can get to the fun stuff. Okay. The fun stuff is, check this out. You can choose one chart or you can choose 4 charts. So you choose your charts, right? Okay. So I'm going to click on this window. Go ahead and click Bitcoin. I'll pick that up later. And then let's say you want to look at DOT, right? So you click this window, okay? You click this window and then you can click DOT, Flux, anything you want, okay? Let's go back to DOT. Then you click on this third window and you can look at Flux. And then you can go back to this window, right? And click BNB. Let me do it. Okay. Maybe not today. Okay, I'll close that. All right, there we go. We can click on this window and click Ethereum. And then we come back here, one chart. Boom. Isn't that great? That's like super fast, I thought. I was just like, oh yeah, this is great. So I do actually have some coins that I think you guys may want. Maybe you guys want. I don't know if you want to, but there are some coins that I think are good value buys. There we go. So, what other coin did I think? Thane Arena. I know, like someone asked me about gaming coins last week. THG or was it? Yeah, THG or something like that. THG. Great. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Thin Arena. That was one. And let's get rid of that. SFUND. There we go. All right, so let's go back to our one chart. And I want to show you guys something. Check this out. Okay. Oh, we can't Bitcoin. My fund. Yeah, you're so. Yeah. All right. Let's chart very log, and there we go. All right. This is the for our. I'm very okay. Even though on the dooming side, look at this. This is the side. All right. That is price down. What is that? This is on the 4 hour. Going down, right? Bitcoin, but we have dimes. So we have price. I should change that. Change the color. Right? There. Okay, I know that's not perfect, but bear with me, okay? Bitcoin is going this way. So price is going down, but we have the RSI heading up, right? So to me, it looks like Bitcoin, just for the short to medium term, again, short to medium term, may kind of a little bit bobble. It's not yet there, but it's getting ready, okay? 4 hours is still a weak sign. It's still a strong sign, but it's also a weak sign that Bitcoin may run soon. And I'm reading on Twitter that a lot of people think that Bitcoin is like retail interest is gone, right? No one cares about Bitcoin because Bitcoin's just done nothing, right? I'm saying I think Bitcoin may do a run. I don't know when, but it will happen pretty soon, okay? Maybe not today, but I could see it coming close, maybe like this week or next week, one of the two. But again, just a little bit of what's going on. Again, that's my speculation, okay? Now, I do, even though Bitcoin is going down there, coins that were not doing so great or got dumped, check this out. I'm sorry, not CFED, CEDAFI is, it's a launch pad. It launches all these games. So if you're bullish on games, that's in the launch pad, right? So I am bullish on this coin because this launchpad does nothing but release good games. So, and it's like releasing top tier coins. So I am bullish on this one. See, yeah, there we go. C-to-5 fund. Yeah. So think of it this way. I know it's a launch pad, but think of it as somewhat as a gaming ETF. You can think of it, I know it sounds a little silly, but if you like games, and let's say you're bullish games, right? You're bullish games, but you don't want to buy the game. Let's say you don't want to buy the game. You can look on C-to-fi if gaming is up or gaming if gaming's down, other than to looking at Decentraland and or Mana or Gala, one of those three, or Axie. One of you know what I mean. Like you can look at C-to-fi because C-to-fi is the platform that launches all the games, right? So before you can buy the gaming token, C-to-fi is that platform. Okay, so C-to-fi has went up from, my God, $3 to 16. Okay, it's gone up from 3 to 16 in 300 days. That's massive growth. I don't think you guys understand. That's massive growth. Okay, now it's coming down. It's about half price. I think, like I said, if you believe in that gaming narrative, which I do, okay, I know gaming is going to be here. I think it's going to be here to stay and not go away like NFTs. NFTs aren't going to go away either. So, from what I see, it tested this region. It looks like it may be ready to do another buy. Okay, now I'm not telling you to go ape in. Okay, no aping, please, no aping. Last thing I need to hear is Sky said I should ape in this going. No, I did not say that. Okay, I'm just saying. I think this is a good value buy. If you are bullish on games and want to invest in game, then invest in the launchpad, right? Invest in the launchpad. Now, another one, Thane Arena. Okay, so Thane Arena. Why am I bringing up Thane Arena? Thane Arena went from this disgusting, okay, it went from this disgusting high at 22 and now it's at 5. Okay, why am I bringing Thane Arena? Thane Arena has a lot of users. I think two or six, I forgot the number. It's either 2 million or 6 million users. That's traction. That's traction, guys. When a game has a million, even like 1 million users, that's huge. And it's a play to earn game. And it's on mobile. I don't know what to say. Like, you have a user base, you have a community. It's play to earn. So I think it may be a good value buy at this time, but I wouldn't be buying it there at this is almost $6. I wouldn't be buying it there at 6. I would try to wait for any kind of dip if it does. This is still on a downtrend. Okay, this is still a downtrend. So be mindful. Okay, just be mindful. Do not ape. Do not ape. I'm gonna put my captions right now. Okay, do not ape. Please do not ape. Trade with money you can only afford to lose. Okay, another coin that I think has good value buy, Link. Okay, Link has done nothing, absolutely nothing last year. It went up to 50 grand and then fell down to $13, and then it went up to $35, and then now it's at $23. Guys, without Chainlink, DeFi can't be what it is right now. You need Chainlink. If you are bullish, if you're bullish on Ethereum or if you're bullish on DeFi, why would you not want to have Chainlink? Chainlink, come on. Chainlink, I think it's finally getting out of that gunk. When I say gunk, I'm talking about it's just done nothing for months. And when I look at this, let's see if we can get a monthly time frame here. Okay, even on the monthly time frame, I know that seems a little bit like that's too far away for you to think, but look at this on a monthly time frame. Okay, it's maintained an uptrend. Okay, it's maintained an uptrend, and what that means to me, if we use the parallel channels, okay, right, or let's say it's right there. I wonder if there's another. Okay, if we use parallel channels, Link can get to, let's say this is like I really think this may be the bottom, maybe the bottom. Because look, this is when it was at, where was it? This is back in what, March? Or yeah, March. May. I'm sorry, May. It was $16. $16. Chainlink. Off from 50 some dollars. Now it looks like it hit a nice, beautiful bottom, and it may want to climb. I'm not saying $100, but definitely, I would say at least being very conservative, lower 90s, okay? Like lower 90s to upper 90s, okay? I don't want to say 100 because then someone's gonna say you said 100, okay? So, not gonna say that, okay? But yeah, it can. Why not? Why not? I think DeFi is gonna come back. So if DeFi cannot be DeFi without Chainlink, and Chainlink cannot be Metaverse without Chainlink. I mean, Metaverse. You know what I mean? They need each other. Okay. What's another one? This is my. I have like two more picks. Okay, two more picks. I have Cardano, of course, because I talked about Cardano earlier. So why not Cardano? Look at that, Cardano. Cardano, not okay. So this is Cardano on the monthly time frame. Still, on the monthly time frame, Cardano is still pretty bullish. Okay, I know. When we're talking monthly time frame, it's just like, oh my god, that's too long to think of. But if you really think about it, how high do you think Cardano can go? How high? Yeah. I think it can go at least maintain and go back to $3 at least. They're coming out with something. They're coming out with something, and I know like that little, you know how you have those those tingles or those sensations where you're just like, it can't go much lower, or it can't go like if this is the low point, then there's only high from here, right? So that's how I'm reading this. It's just like it's already done nothing. In fact, Cardano's been nothing but the butt of jokes this entire bull run. Poor Cardano, poor Cardano. But I am actually somewhat bullish on Cardano. Okay, I'm still bullish on Cardano. I have it in another account. That's why you see me with 0. Another one, okay, because I think the narrative may be layer 2 scaling solution is immutable X. Okay, we need to get off the monthly, right? This is still value buy. I think this is still value buy. Okay. This is very safe. I don't want to say very safe, but it's pretty low from its initial launch, right? 10 bucks, nine, 10 bucks. Not too bad. You're getting it pretty much half price here. And if the narrative layer 2 scale solutions and NFT comes back, I think Immutable X will come into play because they use ZK rollups technology. Okay, now that is Immutable X. My last call, okay, is Algorand. Okay, Algorand. This is my last call. Okay. Again, just like how I was talking about Chainlink, look at Algorand. This is the daily chart. Okay, done nothing. Look at this. Done nothing. Absolutely just nothing. Right? Completely boring chart. Right? Completely boring chart. But look at this. I think here we go. When this was pushing, why am I saying pushing down? I don't know how to explain it, but I think this chart is telling me that, hey, I'm ready to go. Hey, Sky, it's like, literally, hey, Sky, I think I may be ready to go, but you need to, what do you think? And I'm saying, yeah, it looks like you may be ready to go. And when you go, you may, get to $2-3 or something like that. It's not bad. Maybe, who knows? It can go up to 5. Who knows? I don't know. But this chart is telling me that I have consolidated enough. Okay, I have consolidated. All I did was consolidate for months, similarly to Cardano, and then it dropped. But this chart is saying, hey, I consolidated, and even with December's December's little dip, I came back strong. That's what Algorand is telling me. Like, hey, even when I dipped in December, I'm ready to go now. Do you want to invest in me now? And I'm saying, yeah, I'll invest in you now. Okay. So Algorand, I think, is a good potential, I don't want to say 10x, but I think it's a good value buy. Okay. Good value buy before it rockets to who knows. What does Fibonacci say? Fibonacci says the 340 range. Okay, that's what Fibonacci says. That's the minimum that it looks like it may hit. Okay, so don't ape into this. Okay, try to wait for a pullback, and then you can, of course we can all jump in. I like, be cautious when you're, be careful when you, please. I don't like money. That makes, I understand that feeling. Sometimes that, believe it or not, too. Not the way I want, but we have stop losses, protect capital. So that's why to you guys do ape and buy. They're just gonna be high, and you'll be seeing it low when I, So I just hope you bought before. Congratulations, you're in for the rest of a month, maybe. All right, now go ahead. Oh, check one thing. Okay.